There was a large plaintiff's case against the defendant for a heating, ventilation, air conditioning system in residential homes. We were called on to help the manufacturer defend themselves against poor design, poor manufacturing questions. The plaintiff indicated that there were problems with the way these systems were designed and manufactured that left oils behind from the process used to draw the copper cooling coils and place aluminum fins in the copper cooling coils, and that these residual oils left on those systems caused corrosion, and also the fact that the copper cooling coils ran through zinc-plated steel headers, and that the header material, the steel material, was not re-zinc plated or recoated after the holes were punched or after these pieces of sheet metal were trimmed, and that was a source of galvanic corrosion in the system. So the question of formicary corrosion or ants' nest corrosion and the question of galvanic corrosion needed to be addressed metallurgically. We found that the drain pans upon inspection were often plugged, and the primary drain was plugged in the drain pans with a slimy organic material, which indicated that the filters on the air handling system were not being maintained properly and pulling organic material and debris inside the system, which then plugged the drain pan, the primary drain. Then the secondary drain was required to be used, and when the secondary drain drained the condensate from the cooling coils, then the material, which was nice rusty water, flowed out the secondary drain onto the second story of these homes, leaving nice rusty streaks down the side of the homes and making the homeowners or homeowner associations very unhappy. The testing that was done, the laboratory testing, showed no evidence of oils that were present. What was present were sulfur and chlorine compounds, and the plaintiffs tended to ignore the fact that sulfur and chlorine compounds can be very corrosive to carbon steel, and the fact that the testing that was performed didn't look for any of these oil compounds was just another reason that it was a assertion that these systems were designed improperly. So if you need any metallurgical help in HVAC systems or general work, feel free to call ESI and we can help you out with your problem.